Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of November. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Taurus, this is your channel song. Copyright. The man free. And 4 ounces to me. Lifestyle. Lifestyle. Beginning. Beginning. I did a lot of shit just to live. I did a lot of shit just to live this there homelessness lifestyle. Okay, yeah. And becoming the beginning. Beginning. Hey Snoop, what do you think about the Jay-Z and Kanye West altercation? Listen, little nigga, I ain't saying shit to you. Leave me the fuck alone. Hey Snoop, when are you gonna drop another album? I told you, little nigga, I ain't talking to you. Off, leave me alone, get the fuck out of my face. Hey Snoop, why were you late to the interview today? Man, shut the fuck up, man. You're asking me why I'm late to the interview today. Nigga, I'm here. Be happy, okay? So, as we know, Young Thug has taken a plea deal. What is a plea deal? To all you criminals out there who don't know what a plea deal is. A plea deal is basically when you get charged for a crime, and I'm going to tell you what it is. Yes, he said you're not going to beat the case. This case is not going to be beat. If you don't take the plea deal, we're going to go to trial, and anything the judge say you're going to get, you're going to get. Now, if you take a plea deal, and Judge Judy will tell you this. She said all the time. People will be like, no, that's not what plea deal is. A plea deal is for say that, yes, me say me guilty. And you give me a less time because I'm cooperating with you. That's what a plea deal is. So nobody can go in front of a judge and say, yes, judge, I am innocent, I took a plea deal. A plea deal does not mean you're innocent. It means that you took a deal for cooperate with the judge, for tell the truth so that she give you a less sentence. Because you never tell the truth before the police, then it hold on by you and bring you to prison. Now you waste the court time, you waste the judge time, you waste the police officer them time, you waste the bailiff time, and you waste the time of the city of Toronto. So he has accepted a plea deal, which means that he will just cooperate and get the let out for seeing family. I think he's been locked up for at least 2 years. No, I won't lie. I heard they asked him if he had anything to say when it comes on to before the judge did make a ruling. And I heard the speech that Young Thug made. First of all, he's a very intelligent guy. Very. And me never hear him talk before, to be very, very honest. Me hear him talk, him say, listen, basically, I come from the gutter. I come from nothing. And I get so much money, and the rap career really did take off for me, and I just never understand the influence I have. Of course, man can't say anything in front of a judge, but this is what he's saying. Him saying that no, him no, and him tell a judge, say, listen, me's a real, judge, I'm a real judge, I'm a real, okay? Him do a lot of philanthropy things for him community. One of the biggest for the community that he's in. And him just say, him sorry for wasting everybody's time. Him sorry, him never cooperate. And him just ask the judge for just give him one more chance. And leave it up to her to make the judgment if she ever see him back in the courtroom again. And if he is there again, then she knows she must sentence him for a longer time. But him ask her, please, for give him a little leniency, right? And him won't come out. And when I heard how him talk, and him even cracking jokes, you can't get a second chance. They can't give the Young Thug. Adisha Papa come out of prison. They can't get Young Thug a second chance. We didn't say R. Kelly. We did not say that. We never said R. Kelly, right? So I'm not lying. I feel like it was a very interested, and it was a very. I don't hear niggas talk like that, okay? The Young Thug was a scholar type of, the way how I'm talking in the court and I talk with the judge. And let me tell you something to these judges too. Yes, there's a lot of blacks in these fucked up situations, and enough of them don't come from nowhere, as he said. The way all them know if they make money and rob and thief and kill people and rob them. Sometimes them get a little blood clot. When them don't know how them get the opportunity to start sing. And them get money, them come from the dirt. And sometimes them don't have no father. And sometimes their mothers will cover for them when they do the fuck up crime. And me hear how young fella talk to the judge, this white lady. I remember who the judge was. And he must say, yo, he never really have no father, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, blah, blah, blah. I don't have any of that. I just say, I never have no parents, I saw him grow, whatever. But sometimes, to my white judges out there, sometimes these guys need a different perspective. You hear? Because sometimes they know them mother will forgive them. Their mother will hide for them because they might bring in the money. Sometimes they need a white woman in power to really connect to them more. Because I'm very, very sure that the young thug mother talked to him about the fuckery he do all the days of his life. He never listen. I bet you say, listen to a blood clot judge, yeah. I bet you Becky with the good hair, with the fucking gavel, him going fucking listen to, right? So sometimes some of them mania, when we are talk to them not listen. Sometimes it takes somebody high in a power to talk to them. Sometimes it takes somebody who is not their skin color to talk to them. And we don't know if he's saying all this shit for TV because he won't come out and him soon be back in. We don't know that. But without the judge for at least giving him a little, having a faith, a little faith in him, for say, okay, I'll give you this chance. If you fuck up again, you're not come back out. You are not coming out back if you know that. So I'm just saying, young thug, I know you did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. So I'm glad you have your freedom again. Please use it to your advantage. And remember, young thug, listen. You can't get pum-pum a prison. And next man have your gal while you're missing. Stay far from war, criminology, and any blood clot street credit type of vibe. Stay far from copper and lead. Young thug, you cannot get head when you're dead. You should know this. You should know this. And remember, before you decide, so you're not going to commit crime with your blood clot friends on the fucking TTC, on JUTC, and any other fucking surrounding community, you must know they're walking around talking about plea deal. You still snitch. No, I will never call young thug a snitch, Jesus Christ. Please don't come for me. Please don't come for me, right? But I just say, when you do a plea deal, you basically snitch by yourself. That's what a plea deal is. So you go prison for 10 years for your friend who will fuck your baby mother, who tell you, say, man, real niggas don't snitch on each other. Yeah, and the past of them who are molest the kids, none of them don't snitch on each other too. So you're the same alliance. What the fuck are you saying to me? So you didn't snitch on your friend and do 10 years for your friend. Mind you, basically a plea deal is the same thing of snitching. It's just like you snitch later on. But by yourself. He's cooperating. This ain't no street credit versus courtroom anymore. The man wants to see him family. He wants to see him girlfriend. The man wants to get him dick. 3 o'clock in the fucking morning. You can't do that. You learn your lesson? I hope the fuck so. Anyways, let us go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. We're doing your family tree reading. Family tree Taurus spread. That is what it's called. That is the name. And this is what we're going to do right now. Let us go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. Let's see what's up with your female bloodline. Let's see what the blessings your female bloodline has accomplished. We have the Ace of Wands. I'm getting all of your females are very creative. Them draw, some of them sing, some of them dance, some of them act, some of them sew. I'm getting the girls are really good with them hands. They're very, very talented. Are they entertainers? It could be athletes. All of the girls are athletes too. What is the challenges for the girls? The love drink. So great inspiration, great creative energy, very talented, but you can't put on the bottle. I'm getting when I have a liquor curse, I don't know, when I have a alcohol thing on an ancestry. Let's see what's in the male bloodline. The death card. Me getting the whole of the man them dead, or all of the father them dead off. Me getting police kill femme father did dead. Me getting the whole of the man them in the family with them a killer, them a hitman. Do you have no boys in the family? I'm so sorry to tell you, you don't have no boys in your family. I don't know which one of your moms or your aunties aborted a boy baby, because usually that's why you only have girls. Who aborted the boy? Somebody aborted one boy baby. I mean, I don't know what kind of boy them about it. Apparently, the spirit in that boy, it wasn't too happy. So therefore, yeah, come and get into this could be the one of the girl them act butch. The one of the girl them lesbian. The one of the girl them act like the man of the relationship. Them act like man and them drink like man. Yeah, me getting cause something happened to the one of the man them. Me getting a curse upon you. Curse by your family life, Taurus. I don't know what this. Me getting the whole of the man them dead. Me getting your father, the whole of your auntie them boyfriends, the whole of them dead off. No, the father. Or me getting the father a hitman, them a killer. Me also getting something about your father. Okay, so me getting something about your father dig grave. You living in my one grave man. In my one Babylonian gravestone shall be removed. Babylonian gravestone, bury me so low, deep down into the ground. Me getting something about one gravestone. Me I get something about one plot, one burial, one. Your father used to dig hole. Him used to dig hole for your father used to work at. Your father used to work at cemetery. Your father used to dig hole for people. Me getting right now one hole dig for somebody and wait for them for going to the blood clot hole. Me getting Babylonian gravestone shall be removed. Me getting somebody dig the hole already, and me getting the headstone in the hole already. Me getting gal, man, me don't know who this, them not get you. Me getting them dig it already. Me getting them dig it already, bro. They dig it fucking, it dig already. Me getting there's a tombstone there already. Now the tombstone is blank. It might not be carved yet, but me getting your plot is decorated as beautifully as our house would decorate for you when you go living in the house. Me getting something about one gravestone. Me don't know where your family in her. Or something about the man and the man them in the family and the woman them in the family them switch energy, and the man them dead, the woman them act like man. Me getting something about one gravestone. Bury me so low, deep down into the ground. So that is it. All right, let me see what is, that's what is blessing or the curse. Lord Jesus Christ. Let's see what the curse for the male bloodline is. The 10 of Pentacles. Your male are hit, them a hitman or them love rob people and kill them. Me getting them rob, you could be scammers. Me getting the male in your family, them a scammer. Or them target wealthy man and kill them for them riches. Even if you have girls them talk to a wealthy man, me getting them never got money. Me don't know what, there's something, there's a debt, or me don't know if one of your auntie them did there one man, and the man did left her, and she put one hoax on the man. Me getting ever since she put the hoax on that man, only can't get no man in the family. No man in the family. No man is in the family for protect you. Why? Me getting something somebody do to one man. Something like that. Okay, great. What else? Let's see the talent that your mother give you. The 6 of Cups, the 6 of Swords. Me getting your mother only told you when things get hard, you relocate. So there's not necessarily talent. She just teach you if you don't stay in one place as long as you start feeling unwanted. What did your father teach you? The Emperor. Your father is protecting you though. No, it's weird because I want to say even though your father is protecting you, so you might find, me getting somebody went to prison already. You might not know this. Maybe you never know say your father did the time. You never know say your father did the prison time. Maybe you never see your father for your majority of your life. Me getting your father was locked up. Your father did kill somebody. Your father is on a murder charge actually. Now does it make you hate your father knowing that your father committed murder? Young Thug just got out of fucking prison, so if you can accept Young Thug, you can accept your daddy. Me getting your father is to kill people. Or your father killed somebody? This is what I'm seeing. Or your father is a hitman. Something like, I'm seeing something like that. And let's see what the advice from your ancestors are. Yeah, something get put on your family. The man and the woman them separated. Me getting them, the girls them act like man, them love drink, and them the whole of them scatter out like blood clot Dragon Ball Z ball them. The one day so, one day so, one day so. None of them not in a one place where them can build a generational wealth. And then the man them, what them are do with all of them are abuse them. Either them are use them for insurance fraud, them are use them as organ donators, right? Or me don't know, there's something happening with the emperor with his man. So I don't know what the emperor know, what the emperor figure out. Maybe somebody figure out something about your family before it was late. Maybe somebody this big, maybe a Capricorn is supposed to kill you. Me getting it not gonna happen. The devil called me getting it not gonna happen. Somebody has buried the plot is dig already. The gravestone is there already. The person's still living. It not blood clot go so. Girl, I don't know who is you, but if I'm glad, it's a Jacrolium there for your blood clot side. You hear me tell you? The fool card, yeah, you're gonna get wet, free, without a scratch. That's like one whole place bomb up. I mean, you get away with no scratches. We have cheating. Well, we have to cheat to save your life. So we have cursed. Me tell you, your family line curse. Taurus, a Taurus we do. Taurus, me don't know what is. Unless somebody gave the fucking child to Satan one way, you cannot get from a prison young thug, remember that. Or again, you're gonna learn the secret about your father, so then kill people. You know, so when you kill people, you curse your family. It's weird, you know, you will just say, no, it's just a killing, you curse your whole family line. You have to be careful when you do things. The energy will come back to your family line. Enough things what you do. That's why you have family lines who, for generations, them have money. Because for generations, they got it right. Some people had family wealth, but them fuck it up. You know, the 10th generation, go outside, and we got marriage. Maybe none of the women did not married. The whole of them have a baby out of wedlock. Nobody ever had a wedding. None of them ever get married before. Me getting a something, I don't know. It could have been somebody, baby mother or wife, do something to Uno, put something on Uno, or me getting something one woman and your family do to one man. It caused this weird ass reaction. Going to leave it here, Taurus, until next time. Bye.